Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change your address using the Bank of America mobile app. First, open the Bank of America mobile app on your phone. When the app opens, log in using your user ID and password. You can also use Face ID or fingerprint login if that is already set up on your device. Wait until your account home screen fully loads. Next, look for the menu icon. This is usually shown as three horizontal lines or sometimes as your profile picture in the corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to open more options. Once the menu is open, scroll down the list. Find and tap on Settings and Alerts. From there, select Profile and Settings. This section contains your personal information linked to your account. After you open Profile and Settings, look for the option called Contact Info. Tap on Contact Info to view your current address and other contact details. Now find your current address on the screen. Next to it, you will see a small pencil icon or an Edit button. Tap that icon to start editing your address. Carefully type in your new physical address. Make sure the street name, city, state, and zip code are all correct. Take a moment to review everything before moving forward. When you are done, tap Save or Confirm. For security reasons, Bank of America will ask you to verify the change. Once verified, your new address will be saved to your account. Thanks for watching.